Still doing crunches every day, but your belly fat just won't go away. What if I told you one simple tool can activate your entire core in minutes? This is the AB roller, and most people use it completely wrong. Today, I'll show you how to use an AB roller correctly, avoid injuries, and get real AB results at home. The AB roller is a simple fitness tool designed to target your core muscles. It works your abbies, obliques, lower back, shoulders, arms, and even glutes. Unlike crunches, it forces your core to stabilize your entire body, which means more muscle activation and better results. Most beginners make these mistakes: rolling too far too fast, letting the lower back collapse, using arms instead of abs, and rushing the movement. These mistakes don't build ABS. They cause pain and injury. Start on your knees with the AB roller under your shoulders. Tighten your core like someone is about to punch your stomach. Slowly roll forward only as far as you can control. Pause for 1 second. Then pull yourself back using your ABs, not your arms. Keep your back straight at all times. If your back bends, stop immediately. Breathing is critical. Inhale as you roll forward. Exhale hard as you roll back. This activates deep core muscles and protects your spine. Once you're stronger, increase the range slowly. Roll farther, but never lose control. Focus on time under tension. Slow reps build abs faster than fast reps. Advanced users can try standing AB roller rollouts. This is extremely challenging and should only be done after mastering knee rollouts. Beginners, 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Intermediate, 3 sets of DS to 12 reps. Advanced, 4 sets of controlled rollouts. Train ABS 3 to 4 times per week for best results. With proper form and consistency, you can feel stronger abs in 7 days, visible results in 3 to 4 weeks, and real transformation in 8 weeks. Remember, diet matters too. If you want the same AB roller I use in this video, check the product link in the description below. It's beginner-friendly, durable, and perfect for home workouts. Train smart, not hard.